Your eggs might be silently blocking your fat loss every morning. Two women can eat the exact same eggs. Same kitchen, same effort, same 3 eggs on the plate. Yet one of them burns nearly 4 times more belly fat. This has nothing to do with luck. It has nothing to do with genetics either. It comes down to 5 hidden mistakes almost nobody talks about. Stick with me until the very end of this video. Rule number 4 alone will change how you think about calories forever. And rule number 5 decides whether any of the rest even works. Here's the part that might make you angry. This is not your fault, and it never was. Every diet article calls eggs healthy and stops right there. Nobody warns you that timing and pairing decide everything. Nobody tells you how you buy them matters. Nobody tells you how you cook them matters. Nobody tells you what you pair them with matters even more. So, you have been doing your best this entire time, and the information you were given was never complete. That ends today, right here in this video. Deborah is 56 years old. She lives just outside Sacramento, California. For 2 years straight, she made herself the same breakfast: 2 egg whites, dry wheat toast, black coffee. She skipped the yolk on purpose, every single time. Someone once told her fat was the enemy of fat loss, so she believed it, and she followed that rule faithfully. Meanwhile, her stomach only got harder and tighter. Her clothes fit tighter, month after month, year after year. She was doing everything the old rules demanded of her, and those old rules were quietly working against her the whole time. What Deborah never knew is that the yolk was never her problem. The yolk was the one part built to help her burn fat. The very thing she avoided was the missing piece all along. For 2 full years, she quietly blamed herself for every stalled result. She thought she needed more willpower, or maybe fewer calories overall. Nobody ever told her the fix was sitting right inside her yolk. Inside every single egg yolk sits a nutrient called choline. Dr. Marie Caudill at Cornell University has spent years researching choline. Her work shows choline builds tiny shipping containers inside your liver. Those containers grab stored fat and move it out for good. Without enough choline, that fat simply has nowhere left to go. It just sits there, backed up, year after year, decade after decade. That backed up fat inside your liver is not harmless at all. It slows your metabolism and makes belly fat almost impossible to shift. 2 eggs or 2 egg whites alone never gives your liver enough. 3 to 4 whole eggs finally gives your liver what it needs. That single small change can move stuck fat finally out of storage. It is not about eating more food, it is about eating smarter. Choline also feeds a process called methylation deep inside your liver cells. Methylation is one of the quiet engines behind steady fat metabolism. Without enough choline, that engine slows down without you ever noticing. Most women over 50 are not getting nearly enough choline daily. And almost none of them know the yolk is the simplest fix. There is a hidden force working against women over 50. I call it the yolk lockdown, and here's what it does. The moment insulin rises in your bloodstream, fat burning stops completely. It does not slow down gently, it shuts the door entirely. Every slice of toast, every glass of juice feeds that lockdown. One wrong breakfast choice, and the door slams shut for hours. Once it locks, your body cannot touch stored fat at all. This is why so many women eat clean and still stay stuck. They are eating well, but feeding the exact wrong hormone at breakfast. And that one mistake can undo everything else they are doing right. Think of insulin as a strict guard standing outside a locked vault. While that guard is on duty, nothing stored inside can leave. The moment insulin drops low, the guard finally steps aside. Only then can your body reach in and burn stored fat. The yolk lockdown keeps that guard on duty far longer than needed. So here is exactly how you break the yolk lockdown, starting today. Rule 1. Eat 3 to 4 whole eggs every single morning. Never just the whites, the yolk is where the power lives. That gives your liver the choline it actually needs to work. Skip the yolk, and you are working against your own metabolism. Rule 2 comes down to exactly how you cook those eggs. High heat destroys the fragile fat sitting inside the yolk. Keep that yolk soft, runny, and protected from harsh heat. Poach it or soft boil it for 6 to 7 minutes. The white can cook fully, but the yolk must stay loose. The runnier that yolk stays, the more nutrients survive the pan. Scrambling hard, frying until brown, or microwaving destroys much of that value. A soft yolk is not just about taste, it is about chemistry. Rule 3 is about the fat you cook your eggs in. Vegetable oil and canola oil break down under high heat fast. That breakdown creates inflammation that locks your fat cells shut tighter. You could do everything else perfectly and still sabotage it right here. Switch to butter, ghee, or avocado oil starting tomorrow morning. These fats stay stable, and they help fat burning switch back on. Butter and ghee also carry a compound called butyrate inside them. Butyrate helps calm inflammation and supports your fat-burning systems directly. Now here comes the twist that stops most people cold. Researchers once compared two very different breakfast groups side by side. Group 1 cut 500 calories daily and ate low-fat meals. Their plates were mostly carbohydrates, following the so-called healthy path. Group 2 kept their fat intake and dropped their carbohydrates instead. They also ate 500 more calories every single day. By every old rule, Group 1 should have won easily. Instead, Group 2 lost nearly 4 times more stubborn belly fat. More food, fewer carbs, and dramatically better fat loss results. The reason was insulin, not calories, and definitely not willpower. Carbohydrates spike insulin fast, and high insulin locks fat burning shut. Eggs alone are a zero-carb food built to keep insulin low, but pair them with toast, and you erase that entire advantage. So pair your eggs with spinach, peppers, mushrooms, or salmon instead. Skip the toast, skip the hash browns, skip the orange juice. If you do want carbs, save them for the very last bite. Eating carbs last instead of first changes everything about your blood sugar. That single change can lower your blood sugar spike significantly after eating. Dr. Alpana Shukla at Weill Cornell Medicine has proven this exact effect. Same meal, same calories, completely different impact on your body. It is not about what you eat, it is about the order. Eggs first, vegetables next, and any carbs saved for last. That simple sequence can protect your fat-burning window every single morning. Rule 5 comes down to the eggs sitting in your grocery cart. Look for the words pasture-raised, not cage-free, not free-range. Those labels sound similar, but they promise very different things inside. Cage-free simply means the hen was never locked in a cage. It says nothing about sunlight, grass, or what she actually ate. Pasture-raised eggs carry up to 4 times more vitamin D. They also carry 2 to 3 times more omega-3 fats. A deep orange yolk is your simple sign of the real thing. Pale yellow yolks look the part, but skip most of the benefit. Spend the extra dollar at Trader Joe's or your local Whole Foods. Your liver will genuinely thank you. Your waistline will start thanking you too. Even your energy levels will notice the difference within days. One study even found something remarkable about women eating richer eggs. Their waistlines shrank measurably over 3 months without a single other change. No new workout, no new diet, just one better egg choice. Here is what changes once Deborah breaks the yolk lockdown for good. By day 3, her afternoon energy crash finally starts to disappear. By day 14, her jeans feel noticeably looser around the waist. By day 30, the stubborn fat around her middle visibly starts shrinking. Deborah never needed a gym membership or an expensive supplement bottle. She only needed her eggs working with her body. not against it. She never counted a single calorie during those 30 days either. She simply changed the count, the cooking, and the pairing. 3 small habits, repeated daily, quietly rewired her entire metabolism. And starting tomorrow morning, the exact same shift is available to you. You do not need 30 days of perfection to begin seeing change. You only need tomorrow morning and the choice sitting on your plate. If this video changed how you see breakfast, hit that like button. Do it right now before you scroll past this video. It helps more women over 50 find this exact information faster. It tells the algorithm this message deserves to reach more kitchens. Subscribe today, because next week matters even more than this video. We are breaking down the nighttime mistake, quietly rebuilding belly fat overnight. It happens while you sleep, and almost nobody knows the trigger. You do not want to miss a single second of that one. Now tell me down in the comments right now, honestly, how many eggs are you actually eating tomorrow morning? 3 or 4? Type your answer below, because I read every single comment myself. I will be right there waiting to see exactly what you choose. And if you are still eating just the whites, tell me why. Let us fix that together. Starting with tomorrow morning breakfast, small changes repeated daily are how real fat loss actually happens. Not another crash diet, just 5 rules done consistently morning after morning.